If your gaming laptop ever makes this sound, it likely means that either something's stuck in your fan blades or the fan is shot. So to figure out what's causing these fans to be so loud, let's go and just pull off the bottom cover. And in the case of this laptop, we'll see that this fan spins perfectly fine. But if we come over to this one, it scratches the entire way around.
So is it actually hitting something, or is the fan just bad?
Well, when I first heard it, it sounded like something was getting hit, but when you actually look and pay attention to these fans, you'll notice that this fan that's working is perfectly balanced. But if we come over here, this one, it kind of wobbles. It's not sitting on the bearing properly, which means probably the bearing inside this fan is basically gone, which is why it scratches the entire way around. So to go ahead and get this fan swapped out with a replacement, we're first going to need to actually pull off the cooling assembly, which allows us to pull out the faulty fan, where we can get a better idea of exactly what's going on. See, there's nothing stuck in here or nothing that's actually getting hit, besides the fan blade just wobbling, which is causing it to scratch on the metal surface. And compared to our replacement fan that's perfectly stable, this one's not. So let's take a replacement, get that installed into place, screw it down, and plug it in. And even though this fan is still perfectly fine, just a little dirty, we're actually going to replace it because our supplier only sold the fans in a 2-pack. Now to put the rest of the system back together, we first need to take some isopropyl alcohol, clean off the old thermal paste so we can add some fresh thermal paste, and then reinstall the cooler. And a quick little laptop repair pro tip: anytime that you're removing or putting on a heatsink on a laptop motherboard, make sure you follow the numbering scheme. You'll see that it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you install it in that order. The reason for this is it actually makes sure that you don't put too much pressure on either the CPU or GPU die when you're installing this, which could cause it to crack. And just like that, this laptop is now running cool and quiet thanks to us removing this screeching fan.